Hello guys, this is the second tutorial of Unity Flappy Bird video tutorial series. So with the last tutorial I have started the series by creating a new project, and in the tutorial I showed you how to put your project in a GitLab repository so you're not going to lose your project. So from this tutorial, let's see how to start our development in the project. Alright, in last tutorial I have created this new folder called resources, and I have renamed my scene as main. Okay, so in this tutorial let's create some artifacts. So let's create some graphics so we can include those into the game. Alright, I have opened Illustrator, so let's create a new Illustrator file. Okay, let's try with an A4 one. Create. Okay, I'm going to save this in my project asset folder, and inside the resource folder that I have just created in the last tutorial. So let's say I would simply rename this as images. Let's save it. Okay, now I can do some illustrations in this file. So we need some pillars, and we need a bird. Of course we need some environment objects like bushes, ground, sky, those kind of things we need to decorate the game. So I will start with the bird. Okay, I just found this cool image from online, so I will try to replicate the same thing in Illustrator. Alright, so first we need a kind of a circle, so I will get my circle, and let me first import this image into my Illustrator file so I don't have to like minimize and maximize the file all the time. So let me get a place. I think it is in desktop now. Let's see, download. Alright, okay. Alright, first I need a circle, and I will increase the stroke a bit like this, and then I need a kind of a eye. So to do that I will use this pen tool, and I will try to do something like this. Okay, let me adjust that one. Okay, like this, I think. Alright, now I need to color the bird. Before I'm going to color the bird, I will just make another line like this. Let me see. Okay, I will try to okay, this is fine. I mean, we don't have to replicate the same thing. Okay, now I need to separate these shapes. So I will try the build tool, and I will make this a one shape. Okay, and now let's try to color these things. I will use the same color like this, and for the upper part I will use something like this, and let's delete this part for now. And for the eye, I think we can delete this part also. Okay, I will try to add some stroke. Again guys, I'm totally improvising the design here. Okay, like this. Like this. To fix this pointy thing, I will use some stroke adjustments. I can use the stroke, and in here I will go to option. Let's try to around the corners. Alright, let's try to fix that a little bit. Alright, I hope this should fine. And let's then draw the eye. Okay, I can make it smaller. Alright, now let's try to draw the beak. To do that, I will use a rectangle, and I will draw a rectangle from here to here like this, and then I can simply curve the edges of the rectangle like this, so we will be able to get same kind of the shape that we can see from the picture. Okay, like this, I guess. Okay, and we need a another line. Okay, and I will make some adjustment. Alright, then finally let's try to create the wing. So to do that, I will just try to replicate the same thing using a line like this. Okay, I will get this tool and try to make the same kind of a shape. We can change the opacity so we can try to see what we are trying to replicate. Okay, like this. I will curve over the edges. Okay, I guess this is fine. So let's increase the opacity back, and let's get our shape like this. I will make this white, and let's put it in here. Alright, we have simply replicate the thing that we got from online. I mean, we can just reduce the line thickness a bit more, I guess, like this. Alright, okay, so this is our bird, and I mean, you can do any kind of modifications you want, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to draw a rectangle around this image so I can get a symmetrical image. I mean, like, I can get a something that I can fit into the square. So let's draw a square first, and I will make it transparent, and I don't need the stroke. Let's try to center the bird as much as possible. Alright, now I'm going to delete both rules, and I'm going to select the whole bird with the square and right click, export selection. I will rename this as Flappy Bird, like this. I'm going to export this file into the so this is my location, Flappy B. It's my project name, assets resource folder. I can directly import this image into my resource folder. So I'm going to untick create subfolders, otherwise Illustrator will create a folder called 1x, and I'm going to disable the open location after export. So with this option I'm going to export my image, and then let's go back to the Unity side, and now you will be able to see some resources, your Flappy Bird. So I can directly drag that. Let me double click and bring my camera. You can simply drag it to the game view like this, and at the same time let's create some pillars which we will be able to see move through the game. Alright, to draw some pillars we can simply use our imagination. So let's try to keep it simple. I will create a pillar. Let's say I will assign the width as 200 and the height will be 1000. Alright, so this will be one of my pillars, and let's assign some colors. Let's assign some gradient colors. So I will take my gradient tool like this, and this color I would give something like this. For this I would give something like this. I'll make another square, another rectangle up here. So I will increase this one to something like this, maybe more, and this something like this. Okay, so this is my pillar, and I'm going to export this thing also the same way I exported the Flappy Bird. Let's say pillar into the same folder like this. Alright, now it is like this. Alright, I'm going to stop this tutorial now, and in the next tutorial I will be showing you how to create the ground and some of the environmental things to put into the game. After that we will be starting our coding in the game. Hope you guys will join me with the series, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.